तो सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ TRSL Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। TRSL Q3 रिजल्ट पैसेंजर रेल बॉम्ब्स फ्राइट्स स्लिप्स ऑर्डर बुक स्ट्रॉन्ग। Titagarh Rail System reported mixed Q3 financial year 26 result. While overall revenue dipped year on year, it is the passenger rail systems segment and surged over 230% boosting on margin QOQ. The company maintains a robust 14,455 crore order book with strong strategies, alignment and with the union budget, railway allocation, blustering it is the future outlook and especially in PRS and metro rolling rock. Titagarh Rail System reports mixed Q3 financial year 26 result. PRS segment snails amidst and foreign slowdown. Titagarh Rail System Limited has released it is the financial result for the third quarter and 9 months of financial year 26, presenting a picture of contrasting fortunes. Across it is the business segments, while the company of overall revenue saw a year-on-year decline, it is the passenger rail system division demonstrated exceptional growth, signaling a potential shift in it is the business trajectory. This comes at times when the company is strategically positioning itself to capitalize on the increased government spending. It is the railway sector. Financial performance deep dives in Q3 financial year 26. TRSL revenue from operation stood at 822.72 crore, marking a 5.62% decrease compared to the same period last year. However, on a quarter-on-quarter basis, revenue saw a healthy uptick of 4.36% from 788.34 crore in Q2 financial year 26. A key positive was the improvement in EBITDA margin, which rose to the 12.404% in Q3 financial year 26 from 11.44% a year ago and 11.25% in the previous quarter. This margin expansion, despite that lower revenues, was driven by the stellar performance of the PRC segment. Profit after tax declined by 18.58% year-on-year on to 45.72 crore, reflecting the impact of lower overall revenue and higher costs in certain areas. Earnings per share (EPS) also fell to 4.13% from 5.09 a year period, though it is improved sequentially. This 9-month 9M financial year 26 period saw a more pronounced year-on-year decline, with the revenue down 16.88% to 2,285.04 crore, a PAT dropping 35.19 to 145.76 crore. EBITDA margin for the 9 period also contracted slightly.